Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to make a personal portfolio WordPress website using Elementor. If you're looking to showcase your work, these steps relate perfectly to each other to give you a clean, professional look in just a few minutes. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages, and click Add New. We're using the responsive theme here. In the sidebar settings, set the sidebar position to No Sidebar, the page layout style to the default, and keep the transparent header as the default. Once those are set, click the big Edit with Elementor button. Step 2 is all about the layout. Once the Elementor editor opens, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner and change the page layout to Elementor Canvas. This gives you a completely blank slate without any headers or footers in your way. Next, go to the widget search bar and type in RAE Portfolio. Finally, just drag and drop the RAE Portfolio widget onto your page. You'll instantly see your portfolio section appear. From here, you can customize the columns, image spacing, and hover effects to match your style. It's the fastest way to get a high-quality gallery live on your site. That is literally it. If this quick guide helps you build your portfolio, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to design a custom logo for your portfolio header next, and I will see you in the next video.